Busy pricing managers require tools that help them to strategically incorporate price changes and update prices. And if they have customer agreements in place that are impacted by these price updates, they also require tools to accurately and automatically update agreements anchored to those price changes. In this video, we'll look at how a pricing manager would make changes to list prices impacted by new costs using Zilliant Price Manager. The Zilliant Price Manager workbook can serve as the single place to create, manage, and update your prices. When dealing with a cost change, new cost data can be loaded directly into Zilliant Price Manager without having to manipulate Excel files. Once the cost data is loaded, next we'll click into the Pricing Worksheet view. This worksheet allows us to simulate potential changes to our prices and check how they impact our KPIs at the top of the worksheet. All of the tabs within this workbook are configurable, allowing us to create formulas, add new columns or rows, as well as the ability to filter, sort, and order. For example, within our worksheet, we have added the columns that are important, such as current and new cost, current and new price, as well as transactional data that we pulled in from another data source. Using different strategies, we can build up our new price. For example, we can apply a maintain margin strategy. In this row, we maintain the 50% margin, which will define our new price. Another strategy is based on adjustments. This strategy takes into consideration product classifications such as comp, category, spend, and life cycle. For example, since this pin product is classified as a will fit comp, it will receive a 4% adjustment, and the repair category a 1% adjustment. These adjustments can be updated using the different tabs within our workbook. If we were to update the adjustment value for a specific classification, the change would be automatically applied to our worksheet, and we can see how the change would affect our KPIs. Once we have made all the updates to our prices, we are ready to publish. The next thing I want to do is update my agreements that contain the products affected by the cost change, since lines priced at a net price will not be updated by a price list update. With our existing agreements, I may want to be more surgical about the changes I make and filter down my list. For example, I may not want to update a price if it's already been changed in the last 30 days. For most of these lines, we want to apply an envelope adjustment. In the past, we would take a peanut butter spreading approach where everyone would get a % increase. Here, I can use a strategic approach where the price change would be small for customers that already have a high price and large for customers with a low price. We can use this situation to get them in alignment with the market. Today, your prices and agreements are likely spread across the organization on individuals' machines, which makes it hard to manage, update, control, and report on what is happening across the organization. With Zilliant Price Manager, you now have one single place that manages your prices and integrates them into existing systems. Say goodbye to cumbersome spreadsheets for price changes, time lags in updating prices, and stale customer prices in your agreements.